Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How's life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy's A7, we are doing an Ulta haul. Yeah, I ordered some goodies on Ulta.com's website, and let's get started on opening. And oh, here are the items in the box, and I got some cool things I want to show you. So I ordered these masks. This is the Royal Jelly mask, and these are the Aqua Capsule masks. So how cool is this? So this one comes with a syringe with the active ingredients in them. So what you do is you take the syringe, you open this up and you put the syringe in there, and you push on the syringe, and the active ingredients that are in here will go onto your mask. Then you massage it, you know, for minutes to get saturated, the mask, and then you put the mask on and you use it for that. So this one is called the Uzu Face Capsule Shot Mask Home Care Mask Program. So that, let me see, that's the package on the, and that's the package on the other side, and it does have the instructions and everything here in English, so that's good. And then this one is the Uzu Royal Jelly Activator Capsule. So how does this one work? Oh, so this one looks like you press down on here and it goes into the face mask. So I thought that was like really cool. So it's like your face mask, your mask doesn't get dried out, if that makes any sense. You know that it's gonna have the ingredients. So I got those here, and one of these is going in a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. So I bought those 4 masks. I will link all the information down below with the eBay app, with the Ulta website. I don't think I paid that much money for those. I think those were on sale for like buy 3 get 1 free. No, buy 2 get 2 free, something like that. You know, I forget all the time. Oh, and then I purchased a okay, so why did I do this? Oh, I did it so I could get free shipping. I think I ordered this. This is pretty. Okay, so I got the NYX Off Tropic palette. And look at these colors. It doesn't come with a mirror, so no worries, you don't have to see. Those are pretty colors. I like that green one. But I think I bought this so I can put it in a giveaway, I'll be honest. So I don't think I wanna mess with it. This is called Shifting Sand. So that's the back. And again, you can see all my crap in the background with the reflection. So that's a beautiful little palette. Oh, and what else did I get from NYX? Let me see. I think that was it. If I made a beauty purchase, I'll show you in a second. Then I got the e.l.f. smudge pot because it was on sale. So we got the smudge pot. And I was able to use the $3.50 coupon that they normally give you. So that was good. Then I got this cool makeup bag. No, it's not a makeup bag. Cool. This is a fanny pack. And I say cool because my daughter's going to Lollapalooza this year. I'm not going this year. I went last year. Ooh, I got stories for you. And you have to carry in a fanny pack. But look at this fanny bag. It's kind of cheesy, but it's kind of neat. I'll use this. If she doesn't, it's actually pretty nice. And it comes, this came free with the purchase of a beauty product or a NYX product. But anyways, I should really start writing this shit down. So we got the NYX Pore Filler. There we go. I haven't tried this yet. If you tried this, let me know in the comment section. Did it work for you? Did it not work for you? Also, if you haven't subscribed yet and you know you're watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified of all my future videos, and go ahead and give me a thumbs up. You can do it now, you can do it later at the end of the video, you know, just 'cause I'm making your day. And this is the matte finish setting spray. I don't know the prices on these, but like I said, this was free. So I was already making a purchase, and just think I used a $3.50 coupon, so that was good. And then I made a 6% cash back on my purchase, and I got a free fanny pack with some products inside. I think I did pretty good. Now for the yummy portion of this. I couldn't resist. I could not freaking resist. I kind of want to kick myself in the ass. It is what it is. But I got donuts. That's donuts in Spanish, okay? Spanish. I don't know how to hold these. Okay, so let's see if I could try to hold all of them together at once. No. Okay, so there's 5 of them total. So there's these. Oh, I could do it. I could do it. I did it. So I got 5 donuts. Yummy. So that's kind of cool. So 5. And let's go through them very quickly. Okay, so these donuts are by Revolution, right? I love Revolution. Yep. I love Revolution. Oh, I ripped the box. Oh, because there's lots of tape on here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take a finger off. Ooh, these are really nice. This is chocolate dipped. It's soft, squishy on top. And then there's the back, and those are all the colors. Ooh, comes with a mirror. The whole top, this whole portion is a mirror, but I'm not gonna show you that part. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh, wow. And this is a very nice neutral palette. These were $7 a piece. And like I said, if you just get the palettes by themselves, you can use a coupon for these. And I think I had points too, so I pretty much got these for free. So $7. I don't want to swatch the. I don't like swatching just the regular, like neutral ones, because y'all know what brown and beige and all that looks like. I like to swatch stuff that's different. So let's do this yellow donut. Let's see, what is this yellow donut called? Maple glazed. Maple. Oh, whatever. This one seems like another one. Okay, so there it is. Here's the yellow one. Beautiful. It's squishy. See how that looks there? And then that's the back of it. Let me know in the comment section down below. Did you buy these palettes, or did you buy one palette? Did you buy all palettes? This one is also has a mirror. This one also is a neutral palette, but it does have, compared to the chocolate donuts. Okay, so this is, yeah, so this is cool tone and warm tones. Is that how that works? So I'm learning. So it's chocolate and maple. Yeah. These are more neutral colors. I'm not gonna swatch it. I don't like to swatch neutrals, only because if you swatched one, you swatched them all. I got it for, again, packaging, because I'm a sucker for packaging. I really am. And here's this blue one. What is this one called? Blueberry Crush. Now I'll swatch this one. There's the Blueberry Crush Donna, La Donna. And mirror. But look at that. Look at those blues. I'm gonna swatch these blues for you. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 1, 2, 3 4 shimmers and 1 matte. So here we go with this one. This one here. I did. Swatch that one. We'll swatch this purple one and this one here. So those are all 4 colors. And I'll swatch them here. Oh, okay. That's kind of nice. Let me do this blue one a little bit more, and this matte one. The matte one looks like you need to really... Oh, it kind of reminds me of Jeffree Star's palette. How does that look? Looks nice. I think they're nice and pigmented. At least the blue ones are. So that's the blue one, Blueberry Crush. Let's go on to the next one, Raspberry Icy. So let me know in the comment section down below, which one did you like the best? Did you like all of them? Do you prefer one over the other? If you had to choose one of these donuts, which donut would you choose for yourself? I don't think a lot of people like the blues. That's why no one really picked up Jeffree's palette or the Icy Betch palette. Sorry, I'm looking around for my wipes. Found them. I bought these at the Dollar Tree. Little cheapy thing of wipes. But anyways, wipe my fingers. Get that off. Okay. So this again is the Raspberry Icy. And that's beautiful. I love the tops. These are actually phenomenal. Except these have a lot of air bubbles. Do they all have air bubbles? Yeah. And then there's the back, Raspberry Icing. Again, full-size mirror. Ooh, this is nice. So there's the colors there, and we're gonna swatch. Oh, did I swatch? I don't think I swatched that middle one in the blue palette. Right? Y'all need to help me on this. No, it's white. So. Hey, Cutler. So here's the white one. So you can see that there. And that's from the blue. That's from the blue palette that I forgot to swatch. So here we go again with the pink. And we're gonna swatch these. So my fingers are clean. So this one has 3 mattes and 2 shimmers. And it just looks so good. So swatching the pink one, this darker pink one, this other pink one. Oh, this is pretty. This like ready one. I don't know what colors they are. It just says 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So those are all 5 colors. And those I'll swatch here. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ooh, I like this pink one. The bottom one, like the highlighting one. But look at this one too. Look at this. That is actually gorgeous. I like this palette. I'll tell you right now which one. I might swatch maybe a couple of those brown ones. So that's the raspberry one. Yeah. And then the last one is, can I have just taken it off on the bottom? Yep. Nope. Let's just cut them open. I don't think I'm gonna keep these. These are so cute. Yeah, I'm a sucker for packaging. Oh, it's terrible though, isn't it? I want to use my stuff, not have it here for us. This one's called, why would this, you would think this one would be called Strawberry Sprinkles, right? No, this is Raspberry Icy. This one's called Strawberry Sprinkles, but it's darker, more like a raspberry color. Y'all are backwards. So that's the back. Yeah, isn't that weird? This is the darker, whatever. Ooh, I like this one too. Mirror. Look at this. I think this one's my favorite so far, is the Strawberry Sprinkles. So we're gonna swatch. Oh, they smell like powder. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the middle one, 5. There they are on my finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ooh, look at that. Aren't those pretty? I like those a lot. So those are all my donuts. Although I just showed you the brown ones. I didn't really swatch the brown ones for you. I'll swatch one. We'll swatch some that have the shimmers. Which one's this one? Maple. It's like maple glaze. It's yellow. But it could have been like lemon. I don't know. Maybe I'm a dork. I'm going to swatch the shimmers out of this one. I'm not going to swatch the mattes. I'm going to swatch just the shimmers. So we'll do this middle one. Ooh. Do this one here. And we'll do like this mustardy yellow one. I'll do them here. So that's, ooh, sweet. Not sponsored, y'all. They're just really pretty. Look at that. Those are sharp. I like that a lot. That came out of this yellow donut. And then this chocolate dip donut. We'll see what's in here. Whatever was in here. Okay, I'm gonna swatch the 3 shimmers, which is these 3 here. Okay. So we'll do, oh, this brown one looks good here. So we'll do these 3. Only because they're shimmers. The other ones are mattes. I mean, you've seen one matte, you've seen them all pretty much. Oh. And that's the shimmers out of the chocolate dip one. So that's all I had for you. But those masks are pretty cool, huh? Okay, so everything that I got in the Ulta haul, let's just go through it quickly because my video is longer than it should. So I got all the donuts, those 2, and I got these 2, and I got this one here. Then I got the Smudge Pot by e.l.f. I got the NYX Off Tropic palette that may be going in a giveaway. I got the free fanny pack with the little items inside. And then I got the 4 masks that will be, one of them will be giving, I think I'm giving one away in a giveaway. And then I got all 4 masks. And that's everything that I got in my Ulta haul. So I hope you really like this video. I hope you can give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you got any of this stuff, or what item you liked, or what item you like to try. Yeah, hit me up in the comments. Alrighty, so I will talk to y'all soon on my next one. Hasta Laterz.